Hi, hello, this is Ashok. Welcome to Learning Inspiration channel. So next topic நம்ம பார்க்கலாம் associative property. So previous property லாம் பார்த்தோம். So commutative property next associative property. So associative property is nothing but it is the same like that in a commutative property. What we have seen in associative commutative property, that is we can add two numbers in any order. So such numbers are rational number. So the two number also be rational. So answer also be rational. That is a commutative property. So next one associative property is so addition. First one for three rational numbers. So a by b, c by d, e by b. I am taking here three rational number. That three rational numbers are rational. So the three numbers are rational, and we are adding here. So a by b plus of c by d plus of e by f is equal to a by b plus c by d of plus of e by f. Actually we are doing here, we are changing order of the number. The same one only commutative property. Commutative property means we can change the order of the term in two numbers. Here we can change the order of to three numbers. So we can write three numbers. We can add three number in any order. We can add three number in any order. That is a property. So that is 1 by, we are taking some examples. 1 by 3 plus of 7 by 3 plus of 5 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3 plus of 7 by 3 plus of 5 by 3. Actually we are doing here changing the order. So 1 by 3. So first step we are adding second number. So second step we are adding first two numbers. So என்ன இங்க பண்றோம் அப்படினா so order place உடைய வேல்யூ மாத்திரம் commutative property also same, associative property also same. So here denominator is the same, we can add the numerator directly. 7 plus of 5 is equal to 12. Because of the denominators are equal, we can add the numerator. 7 plus 5 is equal to 12 is divided by 3. Next step also the denominator is same, we can add the numerator. 12 plus 1 13. 13 is divided by 3 is the left side. Right side is 1 by 3 plus of 7 by 3 of plus of 5. Denominator equal, we can add the numerator. 1 plus 7 is equal to 8 by 3. So 8 and one more 5 also is there. Denominators are same. 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. So LHS and RHS are equal. So here we are proving here we can add three numbers in any order. Answer does not change. In addition we can add three number in any order. Such numbers are rational number. We can add three numbers in any order. Order does not matter for addition. So associative rational numbers are associative under addition. So rational numbers are associative under addition. So hereafter we are learning from this statement. So rational numbers are associative and also commutative. So we can add three numbers in any order. So associative property is proved. Next one, subtraction. So already we are proved subtraction is not satisfied for commutative. So subtraction is rational numbers are not under commutative. So we are no need to prove again associative property. Because of commutative property means we can change the two number in any order. So associative property we can write the number in three number in any order. So associative property means three number. Commutative property is two number. So two number also not satisfied for subtraction and also division. So here subtraction no need to prove the answers. So just say a by b minus c by d minus c by f is not equal to a by b minus of c by d minus of e by f. If we are changing the order of the term while subtract the number, the answer will be different. So rational numbers are not associative under subtraction. Rational numbers are not associative under subtraction and also division. So only satisfy with the addition and the multiplication. Addition already we are put up. Next one multiplication. So we are taking the same three rational number. So a by b, c by d, e by f are three rational number. We can multiply three number in any order. Such numbers are rational number. We can multiply three number in any order. The first number is 6 by 5. I am taking here. Second number 15 by 5. Third number 5 by 6. We can change the order of the term. So first term multiply first two term, after that third term. So 6 by 5 into, again I am cancelling here, the simplification only. 5 and 5 cancelled, remaining term 15 by 6 also cancelled, 3 5s are 15, so LHS is equal to 3. I am proving left hand side is equal to 3. So similar way I am cancel right side also. So 6 by 5 into 15 by 5 into the bracket 5 by 6. So 5 into 3, 3 5s are 15. Here we can't multiply the numbers. So 6 3s are 18 and denominator is 5 by 6. So 5 and 5 is cancelled, common factors are same. So 6 3s are 18, so 3 times LHS and RHS are equal. So left side and right side are equal. So we can come to conclusion. Rational numbers are under, subtracts are associative, under multiplication. So in this video we have learned associative property. So associative property are only proved with the addition and multiplication. Rational numbers are associative only with addition and multiplication. So we can't change the order of the term, while subtract and division divide the numbers. So subtraction and divisions are not commutative and not associative because of we can't change the order of the term. Order is very important for subtraction and division. Order does not matter for addition and multiplication. So keep in mind, addition, multiplication only satisfied for commutative and associative property. So commutative property, associative property is finished. Next video we are going to see that additive identity and also additive inverse. So thank you. You will see the next video. Bye.